Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to just do a really quick unboxing and overall review of this new DSPIAE hobby knife that I received from my friends over at DSPIAE. Thank you for sending this into the channel for review. So I've actually been using this for quite a while, and I have to say, for an inexpensive hobby knife, it is really nice. I have to say it. I really like using it. I've actually been using it more than my old trusty X-Acto knife that I've used for decades and decades. But it's a really nice knife. It's got a nice angle on the blade, and I was building a kit just now, and I found a little kind of hidden tidbit on it. So I thought, you know what, I think it's time I do my review on this one. So before I get started with this, just really quick, to all my current subscribers, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, welcome, and thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please remember to click that subscribe button down below. It helps out the channel and I'd really appreciate it. All right, so let's get this box open. As I said, I have been using this, so it's already been out of the box. All right, here we go. Now, this is the DSPIAE DK-1 hobby knife. Get it out. Again, as always with DSPIAE, very nice packaging. So this is the hobby knife, and it is nice, solid, sturdy aluminum, and it's very has a good weight to it. It's not overly heavy, but it has a good weight that gives you a lot of control. It does also have a roll resistant cap. As you can see, it's not round, so it won't quickly roll off your table. Also, when you are using it, if you put it in the back, that'll also keep it from rolling off your bench and stabbing you in the leg or other appendages. So the blade itself is a very nice cutting blade, and I really like the angle on this blade as opposed to my regular X-Acto knife, which is more, a longer blade. This one really gives a lot of nice control when cutting or trimming or scraping parts, and again, I really like it. It's really easy to change out the blades. Just unscrew this little shaft comes out. It's kind of a two-part deal here, so not exactly as easy to change the blades on this as, say, an X-Acto knife, but I will say it does hold the blade in very well. So to put the blade in, basically just make sure you've got your sharp point out. You stick it in this little trench. Then on the other side, there's also a trench, and there's also a little pin here that'll meet up with a hole in here. You just put it like that and basically sandwich the blade in between there. And then you take this part and you just basically stick it back over. Now, there is a notch right here in the outer housing that lines up with the notch on here. So you want to make sure that's in there. And then once that's in there, that blade's not going anywhere. It's really tight. Throw this back on, and away you go. Now, they do send you with a bunch of replacement blades, and they also give you this nice little container, which actually opens up on both sides. So I guess if you wanted to have spare blades, maybe a couple different sizes of spare blades, you can do that and keep it with it. The thing I found out today, kind of by accident, is I unscrewed this back end, and you've got a nice little storage area to keep your blades in. So if you're on the road and you take your blade with you to do some remote work, you got some extra blades you can just stick right in there and keep them with you. Again, I've been using this a while. Really nice blade, really well made, works really well, and yeah, I just really enjoy it. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice hobby knife, the DSPIAE DK-1 is a really nice knife. And it's not very expensive. You can pick these up online for about $12 or $13. And this is a knife that's going to last you a long time. There's, outside of this cap, there's no plastic here. It's all really nice aluminum and metal. So this thing's going to last you a long time. So that's going to wrap up this quick unboxing and review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, if you liked this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, friends, everyone just be safe out there and go build something.